Now that we're familiar with waypoints and labels, let's look at the advanced features of Google Earth. Combining this new technology with our approach procedures propels us into the 21st century with real 3D pre-flight planning never before available. These dynamic features will allow us to have a bird's eye view of what the pilot will see when flying an approach. We can zoom in to ground level for precise ground definition and identification of landmarks. We can zoom out to flight levels and beyond to get the big picture of the geographical area. We can pan, tilt, zoom, and rotate the view of the procedure from various altitudes, giving us a three-dimensional view. It is excellent for identifying potential emergency landing sites, as well as identifying features of interest and nav aids on the ground. Looking at the bottom right of the screen, we see a legend with 4 attributes. Starting from left to right, we see, first, the date the image was created. Older images may exist and topography may have changed. Second, the latitude and longitude show the current position of your cursor on the image and is an excellent way to note coordinates that you may want to save in a GPS. Third, elevation of the ground in mean sea level at the precise location of your cursor on the image. Fourth, eye altitude above the image. This value will change as we zoom to different eye levels. Looking at the top right-hand corner of the image, the first thing we notice is the north icon N on the rotate control, which points to true north. Left click and holding the north icon with your mouse will allow you to rotate the image clockwise or counterclockwise. Releasing the north icon will keep the image oriented to that position. In the same control, clicking on the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock blue arrowheads tilt the image. Clicking on the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock blue arrowheads rotate the image. Just below these controls are 4 arrowheads to control panning of the image. Clicking on these arrowheads will pan the image in the direction of the arrow. Another method is to left click and hold the mouse on the image to pan in any direction. Below the panning controls is the Street View icon. Clicking, dragging, and then releasing the icon on a street or roadway provides a street view of the image. The last control is zooming controls. You can slide the slider or click the positive or the minus buttons to zoom in or out. Another method is to use the wheel on your mouse to zoom.